Okay, very quick one today. I'm not going to take much of your time. I know you're busy. What symptoms do you have in Spanish? I'm going to go over very different ways of asking this question. Again, from the most complex one to maybe a more simple one. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. So the first one, what are your symptoms? In Spanish, that would be ¿Cuáles son sus síntomas? I'm going to also give you the pronunciation there in blue. ¿Cuáles son sus síntomas? That's the first one. Now, a second variation of this can be what symptoms do you have? In Spanish again, there in pink. ¿Qué síntomas tiene? Very simple. ¿Qué síntomas tiene? And the patient should start telling you what symptoms they have. Now, another one that you can use, describe your symptoms. Describa sus síntomas. Also useful to describe your pain. Describa su dolor without the S, as you can see right there. Now, another one can be, what are you feeling? ¿Qué está sintiendo? There we go, the pronunciation, if you can follow it. ¿Qué está sintiendo? How do you feel? Another variation, maybe you're checking on your patient post-op. ¿Cómo se siente? ¿Cómo se siente? And I believe what symptoms bother you? The last one. ¿Qué síntomas le molestan? ¿Qué síntomas le molestan? I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, where I post phrases and word of the day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.